Introducing the Essency EXR with Smartcore technology, the world's first on-demand tank water heater. Essency delivers all the benefits of tankless and tank water heaters with many more advanced features. Think of the EXR as a battery that stores hot water inside a core tank. It uses this as a ready heat source for an abundant supply of water delivered when and where it's needed. Unlike a standard tank where water is heated and then sits waiting to be used, the EXR with Smartcore technology uses a flow meter to detect requests for hot water, then immediately heats up your fresh water for use. The EXR uses smart analysis of the flow required and intake, stored, and requested temperatures. It then activates a variable speed pump that sends hot water from the tank through an oversized heat exchanger where the stored heat energy is instantaneously transferred to the fresh water, warming it up to the set temperature and distributing throughout the home. Water is heated on demand at exactly the right temperature for a longer supply of hot water than any other tank heater. Just one of the many reasons why the Essency EXR is the world's smartest.
Let's take a closer look at how the Rheem Prestige Series condensing tankless water heater works. When a homeowner turns on a hot water tap, cold water enters the water heater. The flow sensor inside of the water control valve activates the gas burner, which warms the heat exchanger. The incoming cold water first passes through the secondary stainless steel heat exchanger at the top of the unit. Then, the preheated water circulates through the primary copper heat exchanger in the bottom and is rapidly heated to temperature. During this process, condensate is produced within the tankless unit. In the Prestige Series model, this condensate is directed to a neutralization chamber that eliminates acidity so that it can be disposed of in any common household drain. The heated water is then balanced by the computer-controlled water bypass valve so that the hot water exiting the unit is within 2 degrees of the set temperature. This process gives the homeowner maximum efficiency, saving energy costs. Combustion gases exit safely through a dedicated sealed vent system. In high-efficiency condensing designs like the one found on this Rheem Prestige Series unit, more of the heat is extracted from the unit's exhaust gases, which means the water heater can be vented with PVC, ultimately simplifying the installation process for the contractor, while saving the homeowner considerable costs in venting, components, and installation. The Rheem Prestige Series condensing tankless water heater features a space-saving compact design that frees up valuable space within the home. All units come with a remote control that can be mounted inside the home to allow easy access if water
Essency EXR was designed to provide incredible durability. The tank material is formulated to last over 30 years. Crafted from a special polymer, there's no need for an anode, which means the end of smelly water or needing to replace worn-out anodes. The EXR is equipped with 2 titanium elements, which have been thermally fused for extra protection and longevity. And because fresh water is circulated outside the tank, scale cannot form inside the tank or on the elements. Every unit is equipped with leak detection. It will detect any abnormal circulation through the flow meter or filling of the tank, which would indicate a leak, and immediately alert you. The EXR was thoughtfully designed to be easily repairable, providing easy access to all major components. Finally, at the end of its long life of service, most of the EXR's materials are recyclable. Because it is so durable, we designed the EXR to be more beautiful, providing comfort and